So, when it comes time to clean your upholstery, sometimes you need the best choice of products to be able to get the types of soils you're going after removed most effectively. When cleaning dirty convention chairs or conference room chairs, having a good choice of products between something designed to go after those heavy-duty soils that self-neutralizes without risk to be able to pull down those oils and fatty acids off the fabric is important. Sometimes it's more important to have something that goes after the greasy soils, like the natural orange product gives you the ability to do. Cut through those oils that might be more in an industrial environment, or buttery popcorn that might be in a movie theater. So we have a few options to play with. Today we're going to go ahead and use natural orange to cut through the oils that are on this chair. It is important that when we clean, we wear protective tools and things like gloves to keep our hands clean and more away from the soils and the contaminants that were on that upholstery as we started, more so than even maybe the cleaning chemistry, which isn't really all that dangerous. So we'll carefully apply the product. To the fabric being cleaned, always pointing towards the inside of the fabric to avoid overspraying onto other materials. After we apply the product thoroughly, I do like to work on a table. It gives us the ability to keep things up where it's comfortable to work. And after applying our preconditioner, give a little bit of dwell time. We'll often work to agitate that in, either using a towel or a brush, to work that into the fabric and start that suspension process so that we can quickly flush these things off. When I work on upholstery of this style, being convention chairs, we'll often set them in the conveyor system where you have one guy pre-treating it, the next guy is going to rinse, and the last guy is going to towel off the whole piece. By setting it up in line like that, you won't take any more than about 30 to maybe 60 seconds for the whole time it takes to clean this chair, making it really productive-oriented and production-oriented so you can maximize your dollars. Our choice tool for rinsing these fabrics tends to be always going towards the HydroMaster tools. The DryMaster 3 tool gives us the ability to flow over that fabric with continuous flow without constantly having to trigger that tool, because it has a simple set. You set it and forget it, and then start cleaning right over top of that fabric, rinse it all out, give it a quick wipe down when you're done, and move on to your next chair. So we'll go ahead and turn on the tool and do a couple of rinsing steps on this base. Turn the tool on. We're going to set the water flow so it's just right, and then you can quickly move over top of that fabric. See how bright and shiny those colors come back up again with just the simple pass. And then you'll cup that edge, pull that in on the side, finish up the other side, and your base seat is finished. Don't forget, we often have to work on these backs as well. They're never as heavily soiled, and they don't get all that popcorn wiped down on the backside as the others. And we're done. Simple as that. Final wipe down is always encouraged at any upholstery cleaning. Test your cleaning results, wipe down those edges and those little bit of spots where people's hands are going to be at. Set that chair away and bring the next one on for cleaning.